How to remove clicks and pops in AudioDirector. First of all, open AudioDirector on your computer and launch the project that contains the audio you want to clean. Next, go to the Restore Audio section where you will find professional tools designed to repair and enhance your recordings. Select Click Removal to start eliminating unwanted clicks, pops, and other digital artifacts from your audio. You can choose a preset to quickly apply standard settings or adjust advanced options like sensitivity, click widening, and detection range to precisely target the clicks and pops in your recording. Always use the preview option to listen to the changes in real time before applying them. If your audio also contains background noise, consider combining click removal with noise reduction for a cleaner and smoother sound. After you are satisfied with the results, click Apply to save the changes to your project. Now you know how to remove clicks and pops in AudioDirector. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.